In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently remove duplicates and trim whitespace in Google Sheets. This process is a crucial part of keeping your data clean and ensuring accuracy in your spreadsheets, especially when dealing with large data sets. So let's dive right in, and I'll walk you through each step, making it as simple as possible. First, we need to get started by opening a Google Sheet. You can do this by navigating to your Google Drive and finding the spreadsheet you want to work on. If you're starting fresh, just click on New, then Google Sheets to open a blank one. Once you have your sheet open, let's move on to managing your data. Next, you need to highlight the range of cells that contain the data you want to clean up. For this demonstration, let's say we're working with the range from A1 to E12. Simply click and drag your mouse over these cells to select them, or click on the first cell, hold down Shift, and click the last cell in the range. It's a nifty trick to quickly highlight everything in between. Once your range is selected, direct your attention to the top menu and click on Data. This will display a drop-down menu with various options. We're interested in the Data Cleanup feature, so go ahead and click on it. This feature is invaluable when it comes to maintaining the integrity of your data. Let's begin by removing any unnecessary white space, which often inadvertently gets added during data entry. Click on Trim Whitespace. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to proceed. Click OK to let Google Sheets automatically remove any leading, trailing, and excessive intervening spaces from your selected cells. Now that the white space has been taken care of, it's time to tackle duplicates. Head back up to the Data menu and select Data Cleanup once more, but this time, choose Remove Duplicates. Ensuring your data doesn't have duplicates is essential, as it can prevent data skew and misinterpretation of your results. When you click Remove Duplicates, a dialog will appear again. This time, you'll see an option to check if your data has a header row. If your dataset does indeed have headers, make sure you check that option to avoid inadvertently removing them. After doing that, confidently press Remove Duplicates. The system will inform you how many duplicates were found and removed from your selection. Finally, click OK to complete the process. And there you have it. Your data should now be clean and polished, free from any unwanted duplicates or pesky white space. By following these straightforward steps, you can ensure your data is more professional and ready for analysis. Thanks for tuning in, and happy spreadsheeting.